Hello wonderful people. Today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech MX Keys keyboard. The Bluetooth attachment to plug into your computer. We've got a USB as it says on the box. Instructions. I have to say this is one of the heaviest keyboards I've ever had to hold. So I've been looking online, I've been reading everywhere that this is apparently the best keyboard, or one of the best keyboards out there so far. One thing I do really like about this and appreciate is the fact that it has keys for Mac. It does help to have the keys labeled properly. It just makes it easier to use. I'm really excited about the fact that it has a number pad. I've missed having a number pad from just typing on my computer directly. Kind of feels nice to type on. There you have it. This has been the unboxing of the Logitech MX Keys keyboard.